Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to use Colossyan's auto-translation feature to make your videos available in different languages. Colossyan's auto-translation tool is available in over 70 languages, and it can instantly translate any content created in Colossyan. Now, let's dive in and see it in action. You can start a new draft or open an existing one. For this demo, let's see an example with an existing draft. This is our video, originally created in English. To translate this video, let's click on the default button in the top right corner of the editor, which will open up the language variants menu. Next, let's add a new language variant and pick our language. In less than a minute, Colossyan will create a full translation of your video, where both your scripts and scenes get translated. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Now let's add another language so we would have 3 language variants for this video. You can easily switch between different language variants in one video, or export different languages as new drafts if you want the videos to have different avatars, scripts, or any other alterations. To export a language variant as a new draft, just click on the Export button next to the language. This way, you can tailor each version of the video for each specific audience. Need someone to review your translation? You can invite them as a viewer into your workspace. They'll be able to leave comments under each scene, making collaboration simple and effective. Although machine translation may not always be perfect, our creators still find it to be very accurate. Plus, it's a great way to save time and reduce translation costs. When you're happy with your drafts, you can generate all your language variants at once. Now, let's have a quick look at what a multilingual video can look like.
Hi Maria, I'm here to introduce you to our global training program. This course is available in multiple languages, so you can learn comfortably and effectively. Hola María, estoy aquí para presentarte nuestro programa de formación global. Este curso está disponible en varios idiomas para que puedas aprender de manera cómoda y eficaz. Hallo Maria, ich bin hier, dir unser globales Schulungsprogramm vorzustellen. Dieser Kurs ist in mehreren Sprachen verfügbar, damit du bequem und effektiv lernen kannst.
Colossyan's auto-translation makes it easy to make your training and content accessible to global audiences. It's a fast, cost-effective way to expand your content's reach, so we encourage you to try it out. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.